बाप को भेज, तेरे बस की बात। नाम पूछे तो बोल दे।
Hello everyone, this is Aryan Amlan. Once again, welcome back to my channel. So, this is another day and another vlog. So, in this video, we are going to get so many informations regarding hotel industry and in culinary industry. We'll talk about all the positions having in the ship, on board the ship, in the kitchen. On board the ship, to the kitchen we are calling as galley. So it's all about the galley brigades, starting from assistant cook, second cook, first cook, chef lieutenant, sous chef, executive sous chef, and executive chef. These all are the chain of command of the galley team. After here, we are going to meet all of the chefs from the galley brigades. We'll ask them their experience on board the ship. Our assistant cook, Suchit Nayak, my colleague, will talk about his experience and advice to the
Suchit Nayak, working in a cruise ship as an assistant cook. Currently working in roast section and I'm almost 8 months done. So I'd like to give a tip for the beginners. Get some good experience on the land, pretty good experience like 3-4 years, and then come to the cruise ship, because once you come to the cruise ship you just need to focus and rest all apart. That's it.
So it's time to meet our second cook, Chef Adarsh Yadav. He will talk about his experience and advice to the newcomers and the new joiners.
Everyone, my name is Adarsh Yadav and I'm a second cook working on a cruise ship. I would like to tell you my experience as a working on a cruise ship for 4 years. It has been a great experience and it's going a great experience as a working a cook, and I'm looking forward to be on many more. And I'd like to share my experience with people who are joining and who want to join a cruise ship. I would like to tell them that they should have a experience, they should have the knowledge of what they are going to work on the ship. They should have a knowledge of their department, where they are going and which department they are selecting to go. And I would like to tell them they should have a patience, they should know how to handle the pressure, because there are lots of pressure on the ship while you're working. There are pressure of your seniors, there are pressure of your public health and all of plenty things. When you join the ship, you will come to know what is the real working as a seafarer, as a working a chef or working any other department on a ship. It's going to be a great fun, and wishing all of you who are going to join the ship all the best.
I'm Brian, I'm from Philippines. So this is my first contract here. So after 2 weeks, I'm ending my contract. So coming to the ship, it's not easy because you're paid every day. You get no day off every day. Every day you got work on pressure. You work in 12 hours or less than 12 hours.
So it's time to meet our first cook, Chef Jubain. He will talk about his experience and the advice to the new joiners and the newcomers.
Hi, I'm Joven. I am a CDP here and I have 13 years experience in this company. And my advice to the new joiners, they should be adjustable and patient, because working in the ship is different from the land base. Thank you very much.
It's time to meet our chef, our sous chef, Chef Freddy. He will talk about his experience and some ideas.
Hello everybody, my name is Freddy Samaniego. I'm a sous chef in Spirit of Adventure. It's been a while since a sous chef, for about 17 years. My advice to the new joiners planning to go to the ship as a cruise liner, make sure you have enough skill before joining and lots of patience. That's it.
Thank you, Chef. To meet our celebrity chef, our sous chef, Chef Kumar, will talk about his experience and he will give some ideas and advice to the newcomers and the new joiners.
My name is Chef Kumar. I'm from Sanga. and I came as a guest chef, and for 4 days I'm here because passengers like me, and we deliver a nice product for passenger. It's a lovely product, and like to show him exactly what the quality product of the things is, And still I'm here is 15 years and working, and I do a good job. And person knows me. I work in a lot of celebrity chef, all the British, UK, and Australia, New Zealand. So they working. When they're coming on board, I used to work with them, and they're looking for me. Kumar is Kumar. I do my personal show as a curry show since 2009, and now it's still here. And I love.
As we can see, all of the chefs are very, very professional in their skills, and they have so many years of experience on board the ship, and they love their job. So even if I am also loving my job on board the ship. It's so excited job, because every day is the new day. Every day is a new. Here on board the ship, we are working for the guest. We are working for the guest satisfaction. So we need to be aware all the time the guest is very, very feel special to their vacations, because service to mankind is service to God. It's our duty to make the guest very, very happy and make them feel very special in their vacation. So finally, we need to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video, today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.
Jai Jagannath.